Hello, this is Christina Goodrich with Design's Voice, and I'm here with Tania Aldous, who's the Global Director of Industrial Design for World Kitchen in Chicago. What are some of the more interesting lifestyle changes you've observed that affect food preparation?
Well, as you can imagine, we do a lot of research here at World Kitchen to try and understand consumers and to ensure that we're designing for appropriate segments of the marketplace. So I was really interested to read a recent Coca-Cola study that talked about four segmentations. One was ready to heat, the second was ready to eat, the third was ready to cook, and the last one, surprisingly, was scratch made. And I think each of these domains are interesting stepping off points for innovation opportunities for designers. Some of the new insights, I would say, that we gain really come from the extreme users in our society. So the overscheduled family, the spouse that commutes during the work week but is at home on the weekend. These can be a really interesting way of identifying where key problems have been lying for our consumers. Because we find if we look at the extremes and design for the extremes, then we also are going to be satisfying more of the mainstream market.
Well, thank you. That's very helpful. I want to close this interview and remind everyone who's listening that the deadline for entry is January 7th, 2011. Thank you so much, Tania.